Hello everybody, this is Yusuf and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have a little bit different Persian dish, and it's very simple, easy to make. Not too many ingredients, and it doesn't take that much of time. And also you're probably gonna have it material in the home. This is sibzamini piyazdag, which is mean potato with a fried onion. As I said, there's ingredients is not too much, and I'm very sure that is a very, very old dish, and probably most of people, they might not even know exists. And I compare this with a mashed potato, Iranian mashed potato. It's going to be a very nice dish by itself. You can have it as an appetizer. You can have it with the side of your dish. And as I said, I haven't seen too many places they make this, but I remember when I was very young, I had it few times, and it was very delicious, and we loved it. All kids, they loved that. And now I thought about it, and I said, let's make it and see if you guys like it. All right, let's go over the ingredients and start making it. What we have here is about 1 kilogram of potato, 1 onion. There is 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon turmeric. You have to use, for making this dish, especially when you fry saute the onion, you have to have a oil. So you can use any kind of cooking oil or combination of the oil and a butter, because butter makes it much tastier, much better food. All right, what we need to do is boil this potato. I already washed that, and just put a water on it over it, and cook at about I think it's 35 to 40 minutes. It's gonna do it, or whenever you think that is cooked. The best way to try, just put the fork and push it. If there is not much of resistance, then you know that it's cooked. All right? When we go over that, from when it's cooked and it's done, we talk about it. While cooking our potato, let's just chop our onion, and we have to go and saute that. That's what we need. This is actually pretty good size if you cut it like this. Okay, let's go over our stove and start fry this. I put it first without the oil to get the moisture out of it a little bit, so you can use less oil if you wish to. Okie dokie. Make sure to turn to be a very golden color, not too dark, but at least to change completely to very dark brown or golden. And be careful not to burn it. Frequently just turn around. All right, this is what we need to see, the onion to be looks like this. And it's a time to just add your turmeric and saute with that a little bit more. And you can add your black pepper right now too. Okay, so we are done with our onion. We're gonna turn off the heat now, and let's go and see what our potatoes doing. All right, this is good for now. All right, you see that they are done already. So let's go just change the water and put a little bit of cold water. We wait a little bit till it gets a little bit colder, then we peel it off, then we go from there. Let's peel it. Those are a little bit dark, I don't like that. You know, I really like someone, you know, just let me know if they did have such a food or they have eaten it before, because I know that there's, in a village, the people that I remember when as I said, when I was young, and they did have it, you know, this food as a few times a month for their lunch or a dinner. So I don't know, it does have some other names or no, or not. If someone knows, just please let me know. I'll be happy to see exactly what the name of the food was, if there was a name beside سیب‌زمینی پیاز داغ. And I'm pretty sure they do make these, you know, as like a sandwich, as a roll. When it is ready, then they add the cheese, feta cheese to it also. That's going to be a nice sandwich too. All right, so please put down a comment if you know anything about it. All right, let me clean this board and I'll come back for the rest. All right, guys, we do need to mash this potato. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Old-fashioned masher, Iranian gushkub, or grind it with a grinder. I'm going to use this and have to do it all. Or as I said, you know, just want to, you can do even with just a fork or anything that you can push them and just make them just like a mash. So it's not a big deal. That part is up to you. And then we use the salt into the our potato before I'm mixing it with our onion. You see, I want to show you how easy and convenient is this tool. You can do it like this. Very simple, easy. You see, that's a very good tool. So I want to show you both or different kind of way that you can mash it. All right, after we do all this thing, we are going to mix them with the onion, fried onion. All right, here's the time that you should add your salt. Do this to your taste. If you want to just put less or more, is up to you. And also, you can add your butter before just mixing it with the onion. And that's going to be very tasty. Let's go and mix the whole thing with our fried onion. Let's go. All right, then the most of the mixing is going to be right here. All right, at this time you should put it on a very low heat and mix all together to come just a very mix, and the color should be everywhere the same. So because it's going to get the color from a turmeric and the taste from onion and salt, butter, all together. It makes it very tasty Persian mashed potato. All right, I'll do all this thing. When it's ready and I'm serving it, I get back to you. All right, it's been mixed very well. Now, when I serve it, I see. All right, guys, this is our food, sib zamini piyazda, or potato with a fried onion. As you see, I just put the things that you can make a sandwich out of it. You have tomato, a pickled cucumber. You put it in your bread the way that you like. You can add some other herbs or sauce or whatever that you like and make a nice sandwich. Also, you can eat it by itself. You can eat it before food. You can use it as a side dish. Totally up to you. I'll call this Persian mashed potato. I call it. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like it, you make it and let me know how did you like that food itself. And like always, I thank you so much for your support watching my video, but it might make me more happy if you share with other friends. Don't forget, like and subscribe. If it's the first time, you can see all my videos. Till next time with another dish, bye.